Diving Service here. It is Monday, July 1st, 2024. We're here at the boat Escapade. There was a customer was a little bit concerned because he saw growth on the trim tabs and we were out last Monday. I see little fuzzy growth already, but that was certainly not there in the afternoon. I'm here to inspect the cleaning. I will take off that stuff, but chances are it will be there in 7 days again, just like it is now. So let's take a look. I'm still going to inspect the whole boat, but whatever that is there is stubborn. Okay. Yep. Yeah, it's summertime. Waterline's not going to stay clean looking long. Looking in the back of the boat, yes, the back is very clean, but I haven't seen it yet. And I wiped off this area. But in 1 week's time, you're going to see the same amount of stuff here. Let's make sure the props and everything, the stuff that's going to actually help you perform, is correct. There shouldn't be a loss of speed to the way the bottom looks. I think you have an engine problem if it's not making it up to speed. Those props are super clean. I am going to tighten that zinc on the shaft. Maybe that had something to do with your speed. Thank you for choosing the Diving Service.